Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Super excited, and I'm super excited because you are here. And if you have been feeling a little bit overwhelmed or even scared about AI taking over jobs and creativity, you are definitely not alone. But here's the thing, I'm here to show you how AI can actually be your best friend when it comes to creating, making money, and also gaining freedom in your life. Okay, I know the headlines can be scary: AI replacing humans and jobs disappearing overnight. But what if I told you that instead of you replacing, or maybe instead of AI replacing you, AI can empower you to do things faster, smarter, and even unlock new opportunities you never imagined? That's exactly what this channel is all about. Here, you're going to explore how you can use AI tools, the same ones that seem intimidating, to create digital product, start side hustle, and also even build streams of income that give you more time and financial freedom. Whether you are completely beginner or maybe someone curious about AI, I'll break everything down step by step together, me and you. Okay? Now, honestly, when I first heard about AI, I was a bit nervous. I thought this is the end of creativity. But then I started experimenting with some AI tools and it blew my mind. I was able to write ebooks, design graphics, and even brainstorm ideas in minutes. The things that used to take me hours and days. And the best part, I was in control the whole time. So guys, you don't need to be afraid. So what can you expect? Every week I'll share tutorial tips and real life examples showing you exactly how to use AI tools to make digital products like ebooks, courses, printables, and much more. Plus, we'll talk about how to make them actually how to make them and also price them, and even automate parts of your businesses so you can focus on what you love. Okay, if that sounds like something you want to be part of and or maybe make it in your daily life, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you don't miss any of the videos. Also, drop a comment below. What's your biggest fear or maybe hope about AI? I want to hear from you. Remember, AI is not here to take your job or creativity away. It is here to be a powerful tool in your hands. Together, we are going to turn fear into freedom and also uncertainty into opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to start this journey together with you. I know this challenge or maybe this channel has features a lot, and we are turning things, and I know you're gonna love the end of this. Until next time guys, I'll see you. Bye.